In last class, we had discussed conjunction. Today, we'll be discussing disjunction. Now, disjunction is same as conjunction. In conjunction, what we are doing is connecting two different statements using word and. In disjunction, again, we will be connecting two simple statements but using word or. So, in disjunction, we are forming a compound statement by connecting two simple statements but with the help of word or. Now, it is written as either P or Q and it is denoted by P or Q. It's just like a V. In conjunction, we are using opposite of V. Here we are using V. It looks like V. Now, let's look at this example. In this case, statement P is given, a ring is made of silver, and statement Q is given, a ring is made of gold. Now we have to form a compound statement using these two simple statements but using word or. So I am writing the first statement as it is, a ring is made of silver. Now I have to combine first statement with second statement. So instead of writing the entire statement, I am just writing a ring is made of silver or a ring is made of gold. So I am writing this as a ring is made of silver or gold. So we are using this word or to connect these two simple statements. We can even write this as a ring is made of silver or a ring is made of gold. So let me just write that. We can even write this as this P or Q as a ring is made of silver or a ring is made of gold. Both ways it is correct. Okay. So basically what we are doing, we are just using word or and connecting both these statements. Now let's look at the truth table for this. Now what we are doing in truth table, we are just taking all possible options and then checking whether what will be the result for P or Q. What will be the result for the disjunction. Now in first case, I am assuming that both the statements are true. I am assuming that a ring is made of silver is also true, that we have a ring which is made of silver, and Q is also true, that is we also have a ring which is made of gold. Now when I say a ring is made of silver or a ring is made of gold, now since both the statements are true, its disjunction is also true because we have a ring which is made of gold as well as we have another ring which is made of silver. And what we are saying is a ring is made of gold or silver. Now let's assume that P is true and Q is false, that we have a ring which is made of silver. This is true, but we don't have any ring which is made of gold, and it means this Q is false. But what we are saying is a ring is made of silver or a ring is made of gold. We have a ring which is made of silver, but we don't have a ring which is made of gold, and what we are saying is a ring is made of silver or gold. So it is either this or that. So first is true, that silver is true, but gold is false. We don't have a ring which is made of gold. But what we are saying is a ring is made of silver or gold. Since it is or gold, either this or that, even this statement is true. Because it is either this or that. Even though any one of them is true, the disjunction becomes true. Okay. Now in third case, let's assume that P is false and Q is true. That we don't have a ring which is made of silver, but we have a ring which is made of gold. But what we are saying is a ring is made of silver or gold, either this or that. Since it is either case, this is also going to be true. Okay. Now next case, let's assume that both the sentences are false, that we don't have a ring which is made of silver, as well as we even don't have a ring which is made of gold. But still we are saying a ring is made of silver or gold. Even though both the sentences are false, we are still saying that a ring is made of silver or gold. Now, as both the sentences are false, still we are saying that a ring is made of silver or gold. This becomes false. Okay. So, in case of disjunction, it's either case, either this or that. Any one has to be true. At least one has to be true. If both are true, it is true. Either case, like first is true, second is false, or first is false, second is true, still it is true, because it is either this or that case. But if both are falses, but still we are saying that a ring is made of silver or gold, so this becomes false.